Hello students, welcome back to the class. Now students, today we are going to start a new chapter from your book, and that is perimeter and area. So we use these two terms in the case of closed or open figures. Now what is perimeter? Today in this lecture we will discuss about perimeter. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is actually, if we split this word into two words, peri and meter. As you can see, I have written here peri and meter. So the word peri means around and meter means measure. So that means the measure of any figure all around, that is called perimeter of the figure. Whatever shape is that, any irregular shape can be this. So if we measure the length of this figure all around its outside, then that will give the perimeter of the figure. So hence the definition for perimeter is, perimeter means measuring around a closed figure. So what is perimeter? The measurement of a closed figure all around. That means the total sum of its outer boundary. Clear students? Now in this perimeter, we will discuss about the perimeter of different shapes. Very first, perimeter of a square. Now students, what is a square? A square is a four-sided shape whose all the four sides are equal. So as you can see, I have drawn a figure here of a square in which you can see all the four sides are equal. So if I suppose that all the four sides are equal and I take these four sides as A units, so in that case what will be the formula for perimeter of square? So perimeter of the square will be equals to 4 multiplied by side. That means 4 into side. And how we get this 4 into side? By adding these four statements. That means it is actually A plus A plus A plus A. Length of the first side, second side, third side and fourth side. So this is how we can find the perimeter of the square, 4 into side. This is your first formula. Please remember this. Coming to the second figure in which you have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So what is perimeter of rectangle? Very first, what is a rectangle? Rectangle is again a closed regular figure in which opposite sides are equal. Not all the four sides, only opposite sides are equal. So if opposite sides are equal, so here in rectangle, one of the long side we call it as length and the shorter side we call it as breadth of the rectangle. This thing you all are aware. So that means there is a pair of length and a pair of breadth in a rectangle. Now if we have to calculate the perimeter of this shape, that is rectangle, so once again we are going to add the length of all these four figures. So that will be L plus B plus L plus B. Now here L plus L will become 2L, B plus B is 2B. If we take 2 common, so it will be twice L plus B. That means perimeter of a rectangle is twice the length plus breadth. This is your second formula for perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of square, 4 into side, perimeter of rectangle, twice length plus breadth. I hope these two formulas are clear to all of you. Coming to the third shape in which you have to find the perimeter of a triangle. So now triangle in which here I have taken a irregular triangle, that means all the three sides are of different measure. So that is side A plus B plus C. How we will calculate the perimeter? Side A plus B plus C. So hence the formula for perimeter will be sum of all sides. So what will be the sum of all sides? That means A plus B plus C. This A plus B plus C can be of any measure. Like suppose A side is of 3 cm, side B is 4 cm, side C is 5 cm. So then it will be 3 cm plus 4 cm plus 5 cm and total will be 3 plus 4 7 and 7 plus 5 12 centimeter. So you can find the perimeter of the triangle by using the sum of 3 sides. In this same case, there is a special case if there is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle whose all the 3 sides are equal. So in that case, what will be the formula for perimeter of an equilateral triangle? That is A plus A plus A. So that will be 3 multiplied by the side A. This is a special case only for equilateral triangle. Now let us discuss how to find the perimeter of any rectilinear figure. Rectilinear figure are those in which there is no fixed length. That means it can be any irregular shape and all the you can say the sides of the figure will be of unequal length. Like here I have taken a question that this shape is an irregular shape, or you can say it is a rectilinear figure. Similarly, this shape is also a kind of rectilinear figure because we cannot say that it is a square or it is a rectangle or it is a triangle, but it is a combination of different figures. Okay students, so in that case, if there will be any rectilinear figure, so if I suppose I am taking any rectilinear figure, suppose this is our figure and you have to find its perimeter. So like if this side is of length A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G and H. So these are the length of the different sides. So in that case, if you have to find the perimeter of any irregular figure like this, what you have to do, you just have to add all these given lengths, the lengths of the different sides. So perimeter will be equals to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H, and these sides can be of equal length also and can be different also, but basically in rectilinear figure you just have to add all the lengths, that means the sides of the figure, and then you will get the perimeter of that particular figure. I hope this all the topic related to perimeter, perimeter of square, rectangle, triangle, equilateral triangle and rectilinear figure is clear to all of you. Now students, in the continuity with the same topic, let us discuss some questions from your book exercise. I have taken some questions and the first question say, find the perimeter of. So here you can see there are two figures and you have to find its perimeter. So very first, the solution for the first part. What will be the perimeter for the first figure? So it's very simple, as I told you that no need to apply any formula because it is neither resembling a square nor a rectangle nor a triangle. So in that case, you will be just adding this sides. So if I name this as A, B, C, D, E. So perimeter will be equals to side AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EA. So that means sum of all the 5 sides. Okay. Now let's put the value. AB 5 centimeter, BC 3, CD again 3, DE 5 and EA is 6 centimeter. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16 and 16 plus 6, 22 centimeter. So the unit for perimeter will be the same as that of the side. If it is meter, then you will write meter. If it is centimeter, then you will write centimeters. Clear? Coming to the second part, and let's check out the solution for this second figure. In the second figure, once again it is a rectilinear figure and you have to find its perimeter. So perimeter will be equals to, if I give it a name, P, Q, R, S, T. So what will be the perimeter of the figure equals to? Perimeter is equals to PQ plus QR plus RS plus ST plus TP. PQ 2.5, then QR 2.5, 1.5, 2 and 3 centimeter. Now it's time to add this up. 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. Okay. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 1.5 will give you 11.5 centimeters. So this will be the perimeter of this second figure. Similarly, you can go through the rest of the questions from your exercise in which there are different figures given to you, and if you have to find the perimeter, just add all the sides, the length of all the sides, and you will get the perimeter. Okay students? Now coming to the third part in which there is a square given to you whose side is 12 meter and 6 centimeter. So you have to find the perimeter for this figure also. So let's check out the solution for this. So perimeter is equals to, since it is a square, and what is the formula for perimeter of a square? 4 multiplied by side. So perimeter is equals to 4 multiplied by side. So that is 4 multiplied by 12 meter 6 centimeter. So you have to multiply 12 meter 6 centimeter by 4. So 4 6s are 24 centimeter and 4 12s are 48 meter. So in that case the perimeter of the square is equals to 48 meter 24 centimeter. And how we have calculated? By using the formula for perimeter of square 4 into side. Coming to the second part. Coming to the next part in which there is a triangle ABC given to us and the measure of the 3 sides is given. So here for the solution of this part, perimeter of this figure which is a triangle. So perimeter is equals to AB plus BC plus CA. That means the sum of the 3 sides. What is the measure of first side? AB 12 centimeter. BC 9 centimeter and CA 5 centimeter. In the next step, now what we will do? We will be adding all the 3 sides. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 12, 26 centimeter. So the perimeter of this given triangle is 26 centimeter. Next part in which there is a rectangle given to us and the length and breadth is also known to us. So let's check out in this how to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle, and what is the formula? Twice length plus breadth. So in the next step I will be putting the value of length and breadth. How much is the length? 7 meter. Breadth 11 meter. So 11 plus 7, 18. 18 multiplied by 2, 36 meter. So the perimeter of this given rectangle is 36 meter. Clear students? Now the last part of this question. You have to find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 7 meter and 25 centimeter. So now, which type of triangle is this? Equilateral triangle. And as we have discussed, the perimeter for equilateral triangle, and what is the formula? 3 multiplied by side. So same formula we are going to use here. Perimeter is equals to 3 into side. Side is A. Now 3 multiplied by 7 meter and 25 centimeter. Now it's time to multiply 3 with 7 meter 25 centimeter. So I will be multiplying here. 25 into 3 will give 75 centimeter and 7 into 3 will give us 21 meter. So students, with this we have calculated the perimeter of an equilateral triangle also, and the perimeter is 21 meter 75 centimeter. So students, today we have discussed about the introduction of perimeter and some different questions related to your book exercise. I hope today's lecture is clear to all of you. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson, students. Have a great day.